Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to replace our door lock actuator, which is going to be this right here, because when you press this it doesn't move, it doesn't go like this. So that's what I'm going to be replacing, guys. See, nothing. And also the right front don't work and the left back don't work, so I'm going to replace all of them, but I'm going to do it in part video. So this one I'm going to do first. First thing first, we need to remove the door panel, and by doing so we got to remove this right here. So we're going to get a flathead screwdriver to remove this right here. So I have my flathead screwdriver right here. So we're gonna go in here, pry it from the back, and that will take off that, and you will have a 10mm or a Phillips screw that goes right here. And then we want to get down here and pry this also, and we're gonna have another 10mm or a Phillips screw. This you want to go here, pry this up. Okay, so because sometimes it will bring a screw right here and it will bring another one right here, so you want to make sure you pry this up to make sure to see if your car have it or if your car don't. So on the clip, once you see the clip, you want to locate it. You want to locate this spot right here, and then you want to squeeze this and pull on it, and that will take that one off. Same thing for right here. Squeeze this, pull on it, that will take that off. And squeeze that, pull on it, that will take that off. So once you take that off, guys, what you want to do now is remove these two 10mm. Let's get that. So 10mm. Not because I use this, you can use a ratchet handle also. So I will leave a link in the description for where you can get the tools to work on this car. And if I can find the actuator, I will leave it too. So you want to try to get in here, because in here there's a little gap between the panel, so you'll get your fingers there on it and it will come loose like that. And you just want to work your way right around and it will come right off. Right here you're gonna have this kind of design right here, so you want to pull this and then you come to the slot, take that out. Same thing for this, take that out. So you want to get rid of the panel. Let's put it right there. And this, you want to peel this off. So once you peel that, you can also unplug this right here also. You can go on the back of here and squeeze these in to remove this clip right here. You can use a flathead screwdriver or you can use your finger if it's strong enough. So there you go. I remove one side, let's do the other side. But don't worry guys, once I take it out, I will be showing you what I did. So this is the clip on the inside, so we just want to squeeze both sides in like this to remove it from there. You can pull this back some more, and then you're gonna have this part. So this part is supposed to be on the inside, so this 10mm would be right here. So your 10mm would be right here, so you'd have to unscrew this 10mm all the way off, then you pull down on this and then take this out. Once that removed, that will give you a clear access to removing to remove this right here, the latch, because we're changing the latch. So you want to look on the inside, make sure all is well. So guys, once on the inside, this right here, you gotta push back on the little clip, so you'll see at my finger, bring down that clip, which is this. It goes up and down. You want to push it down so it doesn't lock on the rod anymore. Then you can pull out the rod. So once the rod is out, you're good. So I take the rod out, and this, I'm gonna wait till I take off the latch from the actual car, and then we can go from there. But this right here, sometimes you gotta watch that, because sometimes when removing this, it will unclip from there. So you gotta make sure that's locked in right there, because that will make, when you put it back together, the door won't open from the inside. But once you get that done, that's good. So go ahead and take this out now. We're gonna get the T, whatever torque it is. All right guys, so the torque it take, it's gonna be a T30. You're gonna have 3 T30 on the back of the door right here. So once that's done, just go ahead and remove all 3. It should come down. So once you remove that, you just squeeze this in right here, and then you can take this down and out, and then you can just pull this back. So I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver to assist and prying this out. So you want to just pry it from here. Get that out. This have a clip on both ends. Just want to clip in both. Squeeze them in. So that's done, that's removed. Let's get the new part and see what it look like. So guys, as you can see, this is the new part. The part number is 80501-6CA0B. So that's the part number right there. We're gonna go ahead and install it. So this one have the cable, they come with the cable, so I guess I should have taken it off from up here, but this one is good guys, so I'm just gonna remove it from there. So this what you see me do in the door. Sorry for the noise, that's a compressor running. So once that's done, squeeze this right here. So guys, we're just gonna go ahead and put this one on in here because this cable is good, nothing wrong with this cable, so I'm gonna reuse that one, and this one we just gotta lock it back into place. So just like that. Make sure everything fits properly. And now we can go ahead and reinstall this just like that. Alright guys, so we catch this back, tighten that up in here, and that's what everything look like. Make sure guys, this is not out, it's in. Make sure of that, or else you can't open your door from the outside. You're gonna have to take it back off to set this one back. This one, make sure it's in between there. Make sure you catch this part right here. Remember I take it off earlier, make sure you catch that back. And that's it guys. Let's go ahead and run this through here. Then you can set this back. Once this is through, you can set this back. Oh, before, this is important too. This is important. We gotta set this. So I'm gonna remove the screw. Alright guys, so put this in here. Set this right here. Tighten that up. So tighten this right here, 10mm, and then we'll set this back and stick it along. So guys, just connect this because this is important to make sure it works. So now you can see it work. So we're just gonna continue, take this off. Right, and then put the face shield on, put the door facing on. So guys, once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and put this back on. So you want to find the openings. Once that's lined up, that's good. gonna kind of hook it in like this and squeeze it in. Now it's time to plug in all your plugs. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.